हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 चैप्टर 1 फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। अपनी बुक में पेज नंबर 11 पे आप देख सकते हो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। करेक्ट आंसर को टिक करना है। मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है। अ कलेक्शन ऑफ अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड फैक्ट्स दैट इज डेटा। करेक्ट आंसर इज डेटा। टिक डेटा। स्कैनर इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस। स्कैनर इनपुट डिवाइस है क्योंकि स्कैनर से आप फोटोज या कोई आपके पास मटेरियल है जो हार्ड कॉपी है उसे स्कैन करके कंप्यूटर के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन भेज सकते हो, सेंड कर सकते हो। दैट्स व्हाई इट्स इनपुट डिवाइस। ट्रीटिंग डेटा अकॉर्डिंग टू इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड चेंजिंग इट इनटू इंफॉर्मेशन इज कॉल्ड प्रोसेसिंग। इसे प्रोसेसिंग कहते हैं। CD-ROM and DVD-ROM are examples of storage device. CD-ROM, DVD-ROM जो है वो storage device है. The hardware components that convey information to user are called answer is output devices. ALU, CU and MU are the parts of CPU. ये सब CPU के parts हैं. The storage capacity of a single DVD-ROM disk is correct answer is 4 GB. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Dash is a data or an instruction entered into the computer. Answer is input. Second question, answer is processing. Processing means treating the data according to the instructions and changing it in the form of information. Data that has been processed into a useful form is called information. Next is a joystick is a pointing device which is used to control the actions in computer. The correct answer is joystick. The information printed on paper is known as hard copy. Hard copy होती है जो information paper पे print होती है. Next question number 3. Define the following data. Data is a collection of unorganized facts which can include words, numbers, images or sounds. Information. Information is processed data that is organized, meaningful and useful. Next, pen drive. It is a storage device that plugs in a USB port on a computer. Input devices. Any hardware component that allows you to enter data, instructions and commands into a computer is called an input device. Output devices. Any hardware component that can convey information to user. Cloud storage. It is an internet service that provides storage facility to computer users. Question number 4. Name the following. Four major parts of computer system. चार मेजर पार्ट कौन से हैं कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के? मॉनिटर, कीबोर्ड, माउस, सीपीयू. Four input devices. कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्कैनर, जॉयस्टिक, वेब कैमरा और भी लिख सकते हो. Two output devices. मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, स्पीकर. Two storage devices. हार्ड डिस्क, पेन ड्राइव, मेमोरी कार्ड. Two types of printer. Printer के two types. Impact and non-impact printers. Two pointing devices. Mouse, joystick. Question number 5. Question number 5. Write true false. First, monitor is an input device. This is false. Monitor input नहीं output होता है. Keyboard has two buttons on the top of it. False. कीबोर्ड के टॉप पे 2 बटन्स नहीं होते, माउस के टॉप पे होते. Joystick is mainly used to play games on computer. ये ट्रू है. Monitor is also called VDU. VDU means Visual Display Unit. तो ये भी ट्रू है. The output or result we get on paper is called soft copy. This sentence is false. जो आउटपुट पेपर पे मिलता है प्रिंट होकर उसे सॉफ्ट कॉपी कहते हैं, सॉरी हार्ड कॉपी कहते हैं. और यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में सॉफ्ट कॉपी कहा है, इसलिए ये सेंटेंस false. Next, question number 6. Answer the following questions. First question, what is computer system? Computer is an electronic machine that works under instructions given by you. So this is the complete definition for computer system. Second question, define optical disc and its types. Optical disc क्या है और उसके types. Answer, an optical disc is type of storage media that consists of a flat, round, portable metal storage medium that usually is 4.75 inches in diameter. And two types, CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. These are two types of optical disc. Next question, question third. What is CPU? CPU is the processing device of a computer. It is also known as brain of the computer. Next question, what is graphic tablet? Graphic tablet, also called digitizer, is an input device which has a special pen to write on it. Next question, write down difference between hardware and software. Hardware और software के बीच में difference. Yeah. All the physical and mechanical devices that attach to computer are called hardware. And the definition of software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do, when to do, and how to. You can see or touch the hardware. Software is invisible. Software को touch नहीं कर सकते, hardware कर सकते. Next question. This is last question. Write a short note on dot matrix printer and laser printer. See, dot matrix printer. This printer contains movable print head with pins that strike the ribbon, placing a dot on the paper. These printers are less expensive. ये बहुत कम महंगे होते हैं. Dot matrix printer. Laser printer. This printer uses laser technology to print text or images on paper. It gives the best quality output and is the most expensive. So these are the solution. This is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.